Okay, go.
Are you okay, baby girl? You okay? You okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? No? What's wrong with you, baby girl?
Gidget, are those allergies bugging you?
You look stoned. Bless you. Feel better? You okay? All better now? What's wrong? Look at her eyes. Is it all better now?
Gidget, you got the sniffles? Gidget, 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 you gonna sneeze? You gonna sneeze? She does look stoned, poor baby. Dude, we should send this into Ellen.
I plan to put that online. You all better now? No? Come here, baby girl. Sorry.
Poor baby.
I actually don't want you that close to my head. You okay?
You better?
And put your poster making skills to the test with Fan Flyer. My personal fave. Watch Austin and Ally on Disney Channel. And go to disneychannel.com/Austin and Ally.
Here, go sleep.
Now back to the musical duo of
No!
Baby girl, what's wrong?